Welcome back to the channel, Need to Speed Car Reviews. Today I have my Q50 in my garage. I'm installing some splash guards. I like the way the splash guards look on the Infiniti Q50s and have the Luxe edition, so mine did not come with splash guards. I have some before pictures and after pictures, and we'll take a view at those to see what the difference is, because I like the extra dimension that the splash guards give the Q50. So stay tuned. Okay, so here I have my splash guards. I believe these are the fronts and these right here are the rears. We will do a quick unboxing of both of them and then go to the installation. I did order these from my local Infiniti dealer in case you guys like these and wish to do an install yourself or have the dealer install them for you. They were about $170 for the front and rear, just for your general information. Okay, I did try to search the internet to find some aftermarket kinds that were a little cheaper, but I could not find any, so I went with the dealer style. Comes with some instructions, internet instructions that you can download, nicely packaged. Another one, nicely packaged here with some screws. Let's go ahead and just take this thing all the way out. This one is already hanging out just a little bit. You got it. Color looks pretty good. Driver side, and it will go here like such. I also have the tools I need right over here. Drill bits, screwdriver, extra 3M tape, and some soap and water. I also have alcohol as well, with an extra couple of microfiber towels. I have some installation screws right here. This kit comes with everything you need to do the install besides the tools. Of course, you're gonna have to use your own set of tools, but it comes with all the screws, clips. Also has the 3M tape on the back of the actual splash guards, so that's pretty cool. But I do have extra 3M tape just in case. So right here is the passenger side, or the right side. I'm just gonna leave this one here covered up so it won't get scratched or damaged while I'm installing the driver's side. So I'm just gonna do the driver's side installations first, front and rear, and then I'll do the passenger side. But while we're waiting, let's go ahead and unbox the rear. Okay, so here we have the rear splash guards. I go ahead and unbox these as well. Okay, box is open. Okay, what do we have here? Obviously different from the fronts. This one comes with a paper template, digital instructions, right side, rear, nicely packaged, and it's sticking together with the left side, rear. And it seems like the other one was slightly uncovered. The fronts were slightly uncovered, and so were the rears. One was really packaged nicely. The other one was unraveled just a little bit. So let's just go ahead and take this out, see what it looks like. Once again, there's the 3M tape, as you can see. Color, see how it matches and see how it fits. Okay, the color looks pretty good from here. Let's see just how it pairs up. And this one will go right here as such. Color looks pretty good. All right, and that is the driver's side rear. Once again, it comes with all mounting hardware with the 3M tape, and I have extra 3M tape on the back as well. So let's get started on the install. first splash guard installed. Let's take a look. Fairly simple, not hard to do. I'm going to go ahead and do the rear now. Okay, so I have the rear splash guard installed. Let's go ahead and take a look. I did not use the template because I just used my own little method. It worked, saved time. You can do this yourself and save yourself some money. It took me about 30 minutes to do the front and rear. Save yourself some money. Don't go to the dealer. You can do it yourself. Really simple. Now it's time for me to turn the car around and do the other side. Vehicle's turned around. Let's get started on the other side. And it's installed. So I'm done with the install of the mud flaps. They were fairly easy to install. It looks pretty nice, the way I like, the way I expected. The color match is perfect, and that's another issue. If you look for aftermarket, you may not find that perfect color match. So going through the Nissan or Infiniti dealer, I did find a perfect color match and the exact look I was looking for. Overall, the install, like I said before, was fairly easy. Anyone could do it. A caveman could do it. So if you want to save some money, do it yourself versus having the dealer or somebody else install it for you. It'll take maybe less than an hour to get it all done. The drilling was simply easy. You don't have to drill that much. You don't have to drill that deep. It's just drilling through a little bit of plastic. And if you mess up, no one would know because it'll be covered up anyway. But I didn't mess up, just to let you know. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Yeah, you can see the before pictures and the after pictures of the install. Let me know what you think, and hopefully this will give you some ideas of whether you want to do it or not. No, I think it adds more a sporty, stylish appeal to the vehicle. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, one real quick side note, there were 2 screws I didn't install in the rear mud flaps, one on each side, and that is due to the rear tire being in the way. I guess the small screwdriver I had was just too long, so I will install those screws on a later date. They don't affect very much, but I am going to install it because there's a place for those screws to be installed. I'll go ahead and install those once I get a smaller screwdriver, or I remove the rear tire, one or the other. So the rear template to mark the holes, I didn't use that. I just used the marker, and I used the actual mud flaps, and I just marked the holes where I needed to drill. I felt that that would be a lot easier, and it was. It's less time consuming as well. So you don't have to use that template if you don't want to. If you would like to use the template, you go ahead and use it. It's just going to take a little bit longer, especially if you're not mechanically inclined. You probably want to use that template. So with that being said, like, comment, share, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and please support veterans. Thank you.